Hi, in front of me is TECLAST P20HD, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this tablet through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Connected Devices and tap on Pair New Device. Wait for available ones to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you want to connect to. After that, you need to select Pair. It should pop up any minute. And wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always forget this connection by tapping on this gear icon next to the device, choosing Forget, and tapping Forget Device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!